A video for those who are exploring to manufacture undergarments with us at Hula Global. Um, Often people think, especially those who have initially planned 500 or 1000 pieces per color, they kind of get confused. Why do you need 25,000, 30,000 pieces? So this video is just to elaborate, why we have to have those minimum quantities to support the machinery and infrastructure that we already have. So with this video, I hope you will be able to understand our capability as well as our ability to execute, and also our constraints, that why we should have certain minimums. With the looming process, we make our own elastic. The reason we make our own elastic from the threads is because we want to ensure the quality is controlled. If we buy elastic from any wholesalers or someone outside our control, we cannot guarantee the quality. So this is the looming and binding machine. You will hear a very strong sound, so if you are outside, I advise you to put your headphones on. This is the starting point of how your elastic is actually made. Very clearly from this video, but each of those spindles are moving at 24,000 rpm and above. And if you see closely, these are spindles, and the way the binding and each of those steps are necessary is because if any of those steps are missing, once your product is made and once your customer is wearing those undergarments, after maybe one or two wash, the elastic starts wearing off, and that defines the whole garment, your own brand, because once people start throwing your products away saying it's poor quality, your brand value is lost. So we try to keep the a very tight control on the quality control process, because we want to ensure all the private label brands that we work with deliver a certain level of quality. And next we set up your artwork into our system and make sure all the compatibility in terms of color and artwork is there. Now we will see the manufacturing process of the artwork. We feed in the artwork over here, the artwork goes to this machine, and the output comes like this. Not done yet. This is one output, but there is another machinery that goes like this. This is the last process just in the elastic part. All that elastic that went through so many processes, it becomes very rough. So we use softener and a different machinery to keep the finish very soft and very compatible and comfortable with for the body. Plastics are done, then basic swing is there, and one of the other critical aspects in terms of MOQs are the packaging, because a lot of thought goes into the packaging, and there are definitely MOQs on this aspect as well. I think not just the design aspect, but also how we can ship them without damaging, without particularly damage during transits are very common. So how we can comfortably ship the goods to you at the most optimal cost of freight as well as cost of shipping for you when you are delivering to your end customers.